How to make money buying a stock? Generally, there are two methods to make money by buying stocks. The first method, buy a stock, hold for a long term and sell. Let's see how this works practically. For example, consider the stock price of TCS. On 1st September 2004, the open price of TCS stock was 119 rupees. 16 years later, on 1st September 2020, the open price of TCS stock was 2,269 rupees. So, if someone had bought this stock in 2004, in 2020, he or she makes a profit of 2,150 rupees by selling a single stock. If he had bought 100 TCS stocks in 2004, his total investment would have been 11,900 rupees. By selling the same 100 stocks in 2020, he makes a profit of 2,15,000. So, the total money he earned is nearly 135% more than his investment by holding and selling it at the right time. So we can earn by holding stocks, but by investing at the right place. The second method is buy a stock and sell on the same day, very commonly known as intraday trading. Consider the same TCS stock for this case also. On 29 September 2020, the open price of TCS stock was 2,434 rupees. At the end of the day, the close price of the same stock was 2,488 rupees. So, the profit on a single stock is 53 rupees. Like in the previous case, if someone had bought 100 stocks, he makes a profit of 5,355 rupees on the same day. But if the market turned negative, the buyer could have also lost an equal amount of money on the same day, as he cannot hold the stocks and wait for the market to turn positive. Even then, a large number of people prefer intraday trading to make money. So, how do they make money in intraday trading? Let's see in the next video. Thank you.